Hi guys, welcome back to the session on Automation Anywhere A360, and today we are going to learn how to loop each file in a folder and dictionary variable concept. So dictionary variable is a collection of key value pairs in which each key is mapped to the value. Let's get started. Now we are in A360 control room homepage. So let me navigate automation. So here what we'll do, we'll try to create a new folder under bots. So let me click on create subfolder option. Let me rename it to A360 and let me create a folder. So here we can create our ATMX tasks and subtasks under A360 folder now. So there are three different options to create a new bot. One is by clicking create new bot button option over here, or else here we can also directly create a button from the uh, window itself, or else we can go to home and we can just click on create new bot. So let me provide a few details like name, such as name, description and folder name. So loop each uh, in this lesson we are going to loop each file in a folder, and description is optional, and let me choose the folder structure. So we have created a A360 folder under bots. So let me select the A360 folder and let me click on choose button. So once you provide all the required details, just you can click on create and edit bot. This is the look and feel of editor. uh, Here we can create our bots. So first of all, let me open a folder. So just I want to loop each file in a folder. So let's see how we can extract these three file names and extensions. If you see here, we have one PDF document, text document, and Word document. And let me go to the task editor and let me search loop command. So here you can see under loop and we can see loop, continue, and break. Let me drag and drop loop command into the task editor. So in the designer flow, we can see three different options: flow, list, or dual. So let me select the list. And once you drag and drop the particular command to the work editor, on the right hand side, you can see the properties of that particular command. So let me click on the drop down of loop iterator. Here we can see different looping options like CSV text, data table, database, dictionary, email, Excel, file and folder, list. Let me select each file in a folder. Here we have to provide the folder path. So two different ways we can provide the folder path. One way we can directly hard code the folder path value into the folder path text box, or we can assign the folder path to a variable and we can pass the variable as well, or we can read the folder path from the configuration file and we can pass the variable dynamically. So let me assign the file name and extension to the particular variable. Here we have to choose the dictionary variable. So we can create a dictionary variable by clicking on create variable tab. So let me click on create a variable. So the type is dictionary, and uh, you can provide a name like files in a folder, or else you can provide your custom name like v files, and let me click on create and select. Once you click on create and select those particular folder file names and extensions is going to map to the particular dictionary variable. As we discussed, so the dictionary is a collection of key and value pairs in which each key is mapped to the particular value, right? So here in the dictionary variable, if you want to access the each file name and folder name, we have to use the keys. So access the, here you can see the note, access the name key to access the file name, and extension key to access the file name extension. Let's see. So let me drag and drop the message box. Let me type message box, and let me drag and drop the message box. Here we are going to display each and every file and the extension from this folder. So here we have three different files with the three different extensions. So let me click on F2 and let me choose our dictionary variable v files. So as we discussed, so if you want to get the value of the particular key, so dictionary is the key value pair, right? So we have to provide a key value. So let me provide name key to extract the particular file name, and similar way, let me file file name is, this is our file name. Similar way, let me drag and drop another message box to get the extension of the file. Let me select file and extension. Let me click on save. This is the extension for the particular file. So let's suppose if you have confusion how to provide this name and extension, here just you can see the note, access the name key to access file name, and extension key to access the file extension. So let me click on run button to get these uh, file names and extensions dynamically. Let's see. Let me click on run, and now we will see. Now bot is going to loop each and every file in this particular folder, and we can get the file name and extension dynamically. In a real-time situations, let's suppose if you want to extract or get the a file dynamically or specific files, we can use this each file in a folder command. Bot is downloading the dependencies. Once bot is downloading all the dependencies, we can see the runtime window. Still it is downloading the dependencies. Yes. Now bot running. Yeah, the first file name is PDF. Yes, correct. And let me click on close. And the second and the extension of the particular file name is PDF. And let me close. And the second document name is text document, and the extension should be .txt. Let's see. Yes, txt. And the third document is Word document. Let me click on close. Yeah, the document name is Word. The Word document extension should be like device ex. Let's see. Yes, this is how we are going to extract each file in a folder. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click like icon. That's why you'll be notified when every time I upload a new video and lesson. Thank you.